Ollie the Car Kid, and today in this video I'll be showing all of you the things that I'll be preparing for Petrolheadonism.Live this week. Come on, Ruby. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Come on. You ready? Let's go! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just 2 minutes away from the car, and if you go to my next clip that's coming up soon, you'll see what it is. Boop! I just got to FMC and this is the car that I'm collecting. A Mercedes G-Wagon G63. Look at it. It's in this lovely matte black with some matte black rims and red calipers. And look, red and black, my favourite colour. And look, if you come to the Petrolheadonism.Live and come to my stand, you can scan this. And if you don't know my Instagram, it will take you to my Instagram. And look how cool it is. And I want to show you something. Look, I've got the same car but just a Hot Wheel. Let's go and look inside. Wait. Aha. What? Look how crazy this is. And me and my sister love the light. I don't know. Guys, should I sit in the front or should I sit in the back? Let me show you why I might sit in the back. Go on, Ruby. Yeah, go on, go show them. There's TVs in the car. Yeah, there's TVs in the car. And I get to relax. Yeah, you get to relax too. Yeah. And watch the TV. Well, you can sit here. Yeah, of course you can. Yay, thank you. Oh, you let me sit here. I want to sit on the other side. Yeah. I want to sit on the other side. How about that?
So excited?
Yeah,
Are you ready for the show tomorrow?
Yeah.
And they can use your QR code, yeah?
Yeah.
What do you say to FMC?
Thank you, FMC. Look, there's a tunnel coming up. Oh, can we make some tunnel noise?
What?
Wait. And now. Look at this. Look at Oh, this is wild. But Dad, you're not making me come back. Oh, did you hear that pop? Pops. Okay, well that is sick. Guess what? There's another tunnel coming up. Dad, why don't we make some more tunnel noise, huh? Ready, Ruby? Whoa! That sounds sick! Oh. That was sick! It's done.
Charles, where we going today, bro?
Gas monkey?
Huh?
Gas monkey?
Yeah, what's the show called? Gas Monkey's gonna be there. It's...
Petrolheadonism.Live. Guys, my dad's driving a G-Wagon and we're just on our way to go to Petrolheadonism.Live. Can you wait, Dad?
No, I can't wait. We are
70 mile per hour speed
20
limit camera
minutes?
ahead.
Yep.
Wow, we're nearly there. Guys, I just got to Petrolheadonism.Live and I just want to say a big thank you to Garage Style for letting me park my G-Wagon on one of their tiles. And guess what? They've even been so kind and made me an Ollie the Car Kid. Wow! And if you have a garage that you park your Lambo in it for something like that, you need to get Garage Style to come over to you and make